I bought this broken, disgusting PC for $20 off of Facebook Marketplace, and it was part of a 3 PC deal. The owner says that this PC does not work and it's been sitting in his garage for a few years. I don't know, to me that sounded like a challenge, so I ended up buying it. We've got to clean it up. There are so many spiders, spider webs, there's so much dust throughout. This PC is really in need of a deep clean. I don't know any of the specs yet because they are completely covered with the dust, so once we get in deeper, I'll let you guys know. Let's see if we can fix it up and let's see what games it's capable of playing. We're getting a new phone, guys. Oh, but my old phone has like 9,000 photos and contacts and everything on it. Well, Dr.Fone will be able to help us out. Android utilizes Bluetooth for file transfer and Apple utilizes AirDrop. But how would I transfer from Android to iOS or Mac and vice versa? Well, Dr.Fone is the best solution which simplifies this whole process. You can move photos, videos, contacts, messages, and even apps between phones with just a few taps. Dr.Fone bridges the gap between different operating systems. Dr.Fone even excels at moving data from your phone to your computer, or even the other way around. I can back up my media in just a few clicks. You can do this wirelessly. In the app, select transfer, select phone to PC, tap scan code, and now you can send files between your PC and your phone. And if you're feeling lonely, you can even send yourself a message. For a new phone, click phone transfer. You can now transfer everything, including apps, contacts, photos, videos, and much more. After selecting the categories, hit start transfer. You can monitor the progress and cancel at any time. This process has never been made so simple, and you can check out the link in the video description where you can download Dr.Fone right now. I encountered a huge issue when cleaning this PC, and before doing any cable management, I want to make sure it works because I have a feeling it's not going to. The GPU had a load of corrosion on the back of it. It was quite evident that something had been spilt on it. Now, I don't know if you guys were paying close attention or not, but the corrosion was so bad that some of the transistors also fell off with ease. This GPU could even catch fire if I started this PC up, but I'm going to give it a try. Let's see if it works. Yeah, that went just as expected. So let's swap the GPU over and we'll see if we can get a post. Our CPU is an i5-4590K. We've gone from a GTX 760 to a GTX 980. Okay guys, so with this system, I could not get any post. I thought maybe it was a power supply issue. However, can you see there's only one RAM stick in there? Now, this RAM stick is not dead. The problem is there is only one RAM slot working on the motherboard. And look, we have the original GPU back in, and we have post. So I did a lot of testing and narrowed it down to the RAM. Then I found out it was the RAM slots as I tested each one individually, and both sticks work in slot 1. Well, let's do some testing because I still don't trust this GPU. Now, while this PC was able to game at 1080p medium settings on games that aren't really as GPU demanding, I would not sell this to anyone. The fact that some transistors came off the back of the GPU is alarming enough. If I was to ever sell this or give this PC away, I'd be swapping out the GPU right away to the 980 that we showed earlier. But it's just good to see that something like an old GTX 760 is able to play some of those less intensive games. I'd say that's 20 bucks well spent. Thanks for watching, guys. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments down below. Would you like to see more videos like this, how we included the sound of building rather than just time-lapsing it all? Or would you rather see time-lapse style? You could go back and watch one of our previous time-lapse style ones and then comment on this video and let us know. And then in the future, we'll film it like that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.